Okay, this is your 7-day outlook from July 21st through the 27th for this week for northeastern PA and North Jersey. This is weather outlook, and we kind of got a nice few days, and then we start to heat up again later on in the week. Now, I'm doing this video Monday about 4 o'clock or so. Probably release it about 6. But where you can see temperatures to the north have cooled down into the 70s. They're still in the 80s down south and upper 80s towards New York City. If you're wondering about precipitation, um, there's nothing coming across right now. So it's just cooler temperatures. And when you add in the humidity and all, you can see temperatures are still quite comfortable. So it's probably open windows. And if you're not going to have them open now, you'll want to open them up by morning. And yes, you are seeing this correctly. We have 46 degrees up towards Towanda, Poconos 47, maybe up in Scranton, upper 40s. Most of the Poconos upper 40s to around 50. The valleys are upper 40s to the lower 50s, but North Jersey, you're around the 50-degree marks. Definitely tonight, open your windows. It might even be too cold to keep them open all night, but and there's no precipitation at all with this, so it's just a nice, comfortable night. Now we try to recover on Tuesday, but you can see the temperatures range from mid 70s to around 80 across the area. That's about right, considering where the temperatures start at night. And again, if you're wondering if there's any precipitation with this cooler temperatures, no. So kind of enjoy it because it's going to go away. Now, on Wednesday, we have a mix of clouds and sun. Temperatures are going to be a few degrees warmer. We get into the upper 70s to the lower 80s across the region. And again, I don't show any rain as of right now, but that's just the beginning of a hint that the temperatures will be climbing. Now, Thursday, we're upper 80s, lower 90s across most of the viewing area, with New York City area getting into the upper or middle 90s, but it gets quite warm. Precipitation on Thursday, there could be a couple showers creep up, especially late in the day on Thursday, but nothing to worry about. Now, Friday, we have a front coming in from the northwest, so you can see the temperatures, let's say, from Luzerne County, Lackawanna County, down towards Williamsport and Sunbury, east and south of that. Temperatures get into the 90s, mid 90s in some areas, and yet, if you look up north towards Binghamton and Elmira, up that way, temperatures are into the 70s. And that's because we have a frontal system trying to drop down here during the day on Friday, and it could even be a thunderstorm with this one, but we're not looking so far at any of these disastrous type rainstorms. On Saturday, yeah, it's the weekend. Of course, there are showers around out there, as you can see right here. This is during the day on Saturday. So what that does in affecting our temperatures on Saturday, if we get this to work, there you go. You can see where the showers and the clouds are at. Temperatures are in the middle to upper 70s. And if any sun can sneak out, it would be to the east and maybe to the south a little bit. And there, the temperatures can get into the lower 80s on Saturday. Now on Sunday, we got temperatures upper 70s to lower 80s for the most part, and then you get out in Jersey and even down there towards Sunbury and Steely's Grove, temperatures get into the upper 80s to near 90 out by New York. The problem with that is the reasoning for the temperatures like that is you have clouds and you have some showers during the day on Sunday. And as we go out another day further, on the 28th, which is a Monday, temperatures are in the 80s for the most part across the viewing areas. Some areas lower 80s where you can see the lighter colors on there. And if you're wondering about precipitation, kind of that's why the color temperatures are a little cooler in some spots. So there's a few showers around. Okay, that's your 7-day forecast. Take it easy.